Need to cancel an order due to a customer request or an inventory issue? In this video, I'll show you the correct way to cancel and refund an order in your Shopify admin. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Canceling an order is a straightforward process that also handles the financial refund and inventory restocking in one step. From your Orders page, find and open the order you wish to cancel. If the order is still unpaid or hasn't been fulfilled, you will see a Cancel Order button. Clicking this will bring up a dialog box. If a payment has been captured, you can check the box to refund the customer and choose whether to restock the items, returning the inventory to your available count. Confirm the cancellation. The order status will update to cancelled, the customer will be refunded, and the inventory will be added back to your store if you selected that option. A crucial pro tip: act quickly. If you've already purchased a shipping label, you will need to void it with the carrier first before you can cancel the order. Cancellation is best done before any fulfillment actions are taken. And just like that, you've cleanly and professionally reversed a transaction. Knowing how to cancel an order properly is essential for managing errors and customer requests. What's the most common reason you've had to cancel an order? Share your experience in the comments. To combine shipments, subscribe for our next video on how to combine Shopify orders. Thanks for watching.